Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the escape the backrooms microphone not working. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure on your Windows that your mic is working. Simply search for sound and then open up sound settings. And from here you just want to select the microphone that you are currently using and confirm it that you have mic output. So from there, let's head over to Steam, click on the Steam icon, navigate through setting, and then we have the voice option. So you could just do the same thing where you have to click on it, select the right input device, which is going to be your microphone, and just go ahead and test it. Hello, test. And confirm that you are getting signal from your microphone. And the last thing that you want to do is to head over to the settings of your backrooms, and from there just do the same thing where you basically go ahead and select the right output. So if you follow these steps, you will be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.